Look, we've all been there, staring at a toaster, wondering why one side is burnt while the other is basically raw bread. I got tired of the guessing game, so I went out and bought the 5 biggest names in smart toasters to see which ones actually deliver. I've been carb loading for weeks to find the ones that actually make your life easier. Product number 1. Elite Gourmet ECT5924D Smart Toast. When I first pulled this Elite Gourmet out of the box, the gloss black finish looks sharp, but it was that long slot design that really caught my eye. If you're like me and buy those massive loaves of sourdough or weirdly shaped artisan bread, you know standard toasters are a nightmare. This one just swallows them whole. The capacitive touchscreen feels a lot like using a smartphone, very responsive, no clunky buttons to mash. While testing it, I fell in love with the Add 10 Seconds button. It's perfect for when your toast looks almost there, but needs that final kiss of heat. I also noticed the countdown timer is actually accurate. Usually those timers are just suggestions, but this one is spot on. I used the wheat setting on some thick slices, and it gave me a perfectly even golden brown crust without drying out the middle. It's got 1.5-inch wide slots, so even my fattest bagels didn't get stuck. If you're someone who buys specialty breads and hates cramming them into tiny slots, this is the one you want on your counter. It's big, but it's smart where it counts. Product number 2. Inspirex Touchscreen Smart Toaster. The Inspirex, part of the Nostalgia line, definitely wins the award for the most high-tech look. It's got this sleek glass front that makes my kitchen feel like it's from the future. But the real wow factor happened when I hit start. The bread lowers itself automatically. No more slamming down a plastic lever and hoping it latches. I put it through the ringer with 8 different bread types. The heating coils are made of nichrome wire, and you can tell the heat is super consistent. When I tried the waffle setting, it handled the frozen to crispy transition better than most. The screen changes based on what you're toasting, which is a nice touch, and the countdown display is huge. I could see it from across the room while I was pouring my coffee. Cleaning it was a breeze too. The crumb tray slides out smoothly without that annoying jiggling that usually sends crumbs flying all over the floor. If you want a toaster that looks like a piece of art and handles the heavy lifting for you with that auto lower feature, this is a solid pick for a modern kitchen. Product number 3. Breville BTA820XL Die-Cast Smart Toaster. Breville is known for build quality, and holding this thing feels like holding a tank. It's heavy, brushed stainless steel, and feels incredibly premium. It doesn't have a flashy color screen, but it's got the smartest quality of life features I've ever used. My absolute favorite is the lift and look button. You press it, and the toaster gently raises the bread so you can check the color, then slides it back down without stopping the timer. Then there's the A Bit More button. It's literally named after exactly what I'm thinking when the toast pops up too light. I tested this with some dense English muffins, and the bagel mode, which only heats the inside, worked perfectly, leaving the back soft while the cut side got that crunch. The LED indicator strip is a simple but effective way to track progress. It's a bit more compact than the long slot models, so it's perfect if you're tight on counter space, but still want that high-end motorized feel. If you're a perfectionist who constantly checks their toast, the lift and look feature alone makes this worth every penny. Product number 4. Seedeem 4-Slice Stainless Toaster. If you have a big family or a partner who likes their toast way darker than you do, the Seedeem is a lifesaver. This thing is a beast with 2 totally independent control zones. I spent a morning toasting a bagel on the left for myself while doing some light shade white bread on the right for my kid, and neither side messed with the other. It has these colorful LCD displays that are super bright and easy to read. I noticed that at 1800 watts, it's faster than the others I tested. The Shade 4 setting was my sweet spot. It gave that deep burnt flavor without making the bread brittle. The knobs have a really satisfying click to them, which I prefer over some touchscreens when my hands are messy in the kitchen. The dark chocolate stainless steel color is also a nice break from the usual silver or black. It handles 4 slices at once without breaking a sweat, and the 1.5-inch slots meant my Texas toast didn't get mangled. If you need to crank out breakfast for a crowd without compromising on anyone's perfect shade, this is the workhorse you need. Product number 5. Keenstone 2-Slice Digital Toaster. The Keenstone feels like it was designed by someone who actually spends time in a kitchen. The screen is tilted at 75 degrees, which sounds like a small detail until you're standing over it and realized you don't have to crouch down to see the settings. But the coolest thing I found during my tests was the single slice mode. Usually, if you toast one slice in a 2-slot toaster, one side of the bread gets scorched because of the empty slot's radiant heat. This one actually redirects the power to the occupied slot. I tried it with a single piece of sourdough and it was perfectly even on both sides. Plus, it saves energy. It also has a gluten-free preset, which I found actually toasts longer at a slightly lower temp to get the moisture out of those denser gluten-free loaves. The stainless finish is food grade and non-stick, which actually made a difference when I accidentally dripped some jam on it. It wiped right off. If you're often just toasting one slice or you've gone gluten-free, the specific tech in this one makes it a really smart buy.